Dawki police recently apprehended two Bangladeshi nationals during a routine patrol in the Dawki area. The individuals were identified as Monirul Biswas and Lovely Khatun, both residents of Bhomdak village in Narel district under Khulna division, Bangladesh. Police sources informed that the duo was travelling in a vehicle bearing registration number ML05AG7472, an espresso vehicle which was being driven by Pinchai Bha Kharir, a resident of Wasarang village in East Jayanta Hills district. A case has been registered at the Dawki police station via number 53/2026 under section 21, 19(1) and 24 of the Immigration and Foreigners Act 2025. The accused have been arrested and are set to be produced before the Judicial Magistrate First Class Court in Amlarem for further legal proceedings.